Hey guys, welcome back to Route 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. It's Luigi's Mansion 3 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator, running today on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. If you're not new to the channel, you know I normally just post, the whole point is just to show the YUZU emulator's performance and how it's improved over the years. Now I have everything set to default, and we're gonna try to test out Luigi's Mansion, which I have tried before, like a year ago. Did not end well. Couldn't even get in game. Performance is definitely a lot better this time around. In Luigi's Mansion, we can move around, but look at those frame times. That is crazy. I don't think this is still playable even right now at this point in time. It's a very hard game to emulate. I'm pretty sure it's for AMD reasons, but you know, it is what it is. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it's just Luigi's Mansion. I can't even remember at this point. Seems suspicious as heck. And Luigi realizes this. Dog, what the heck you doing, doggo? Don't skim me like that. I am surprised to see Luigi's Mansion like this. It looked like they really went to put out all the stops for this damn game. It seems way more, you know, just way more out there, way more impressive. This guy looks suspicious as hell. I guess I am. I don't feel like I should be though. I feel like I should go home. Yeah, like they really went crazy with the cutscenes and everything. Damn. I hope this cinematic was cool too. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Still, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, stick around for more epic content. This is just how the games run, man. Some games do you find that just aren't there up to snuff as of this point. You know, we run into all sorts of glitches, and it seems Luigi Mansion definitely has one. I can't even hit 30 FPS, and it's not consistent. There's a lot of stutter. The game graphically looks fine, but there's definitely issues here. He's not even building shaders that much, but still, and it uses a lot of damn RAM. You see, you get the occasional building shader, and there's only 5 shaders. Normally I get 20 and 30 shaders in some of these games. But I digress. Let's move on with the game. Oh, I saw that smell at the end there. I saw that. I know how this goes. That's the scariest part, when it's not even building shaders much and it's still such a hard way to run the game. It just means that the game just isn't ready for the YUZU emulator yet. I feel like I will do, consider it's called Luigi's Mansion 3. Ghosts! I have a ghost dog with me.
Bye. Bye. Night night.
Night night. It's me, Mario! Wahoo! Wait, he's not in here? Wrong character? Cool, that's cool. I knew that. The only thing I missed, I can't skip the cutscene, which annoyed me. Well, at least I can't skip the first cinematic, at least. Oh wow, physics! Shocking. Man, they're surprising me with this game already. Some sort of physics. Questionable physics. Why are you trying to scare Luigi? Because I don't know who that would have naturally scared, but why are you trying to scare Luigi? What kid was scared by that? What kid would... Oh no! Alright, so... Oh, okay. You just gave me a prompt. Where's the prompt? I guess so. I guess all the spooky stuff happens after I take a nap. Cause I'm that kind of guy. Oh crap. Luigi. Oh, you got his flashlight. Tell me, why would Luigi bring that with him? Seriously. Luigi like, I'm strapped. I got it on deck. I got my flashlight. What grown man brings a flashlight and puts it right next to their bedside? Whose man's is this? Like I said, there's not much for me to talk about. The game is running, but there's no graphical issues. But the frame rate and frame times is just not great. It's not making it enjoyable, at least. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy these types of videos I do, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you'd like to see me test next on the channel. I basically do everything. I'm just gonna mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay until the video ends. I'll see you guys again.
Huh? Uh-oh. Hello? Oh. Oh. Ah! Oh, phew. Huh? Hello? Mario?